Okay, in this major move of Johnson and Johnson, uh, we have just come to know that Johnson and Johnson has decided to split up in two main companies. There will be now two different companies. One will be concentrating on pharmaceuticals, and the other would be consumer healthcare business. So one will be uh, focusing on pharmaceuticals, the pharmaceutical devices, and the other will be consumer health business. Now this is a major decision taken by the company in their history of 135 years. That's right, Johnson and Johnson has been operating for 135 years, and it has been one of the major companies ever since. So it has a history of been into operation for more than 100 years, so which is a big thing. So we can make out how big of a company it is. It's been working for the last 135 years. So it's a major move by Johnson and Johnson that they have decided to go into two different directions, and the reason is very simple, because now they want to focus on pharmaceutical business as a different path, and consumer medicines or consumer health business as a different path. And they are planning to do it over the next 1.5 to 2 years. So we will see major shifts happening in Johnson and Johnson, and we will also see a lot of growth. So this is being done mainly because they look forward to contributing a lot more to their consumers that they have done in the past 135 years. So they feel that they have a lot to give to us. They have a lot that they want to do for their consumers, and this is one of the best ways that they could have done. And by going into two different directions, setting up two different companies altogether, where they will be able to grow the company and also take medical science to two different directions with leaps and bounds. So we wish them all the best for their future endeavors, and hope that they bring out the best that they can do, and something phenomenal that we as consumers, we as customers can expect from them. Stay updated for more news articles. Bye.